Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everybody. Today we will discuss about an app. It is a very powerful and very good app. In this app, you can give any natural questions to a LLM. In our case, this LLM is Llama 3. Llama 3 in our case. Okay. Then this Llama or large language model will turn this natural question into this SQL query. This SQL query, it is another language, you have to learn it, but if you have no time, you just use this app, give your question to this LLM. This LLM will turn this natural question into this SQL query. The SQL query will be executed in the database. My case, this database is MySQL. However, in your case, it can be PostgreSQL or SQLite or any type of database, no problem. When we execute this SQL query to the database, it will give us a machinery result. This result will be again processed by the LLM. In our case, it is Llama. Then the processed output will be a human type answer, and the whole thing is done by an agent which is called SQL agent, and this SQL agent will be import from a LangChain library. We will show you in the code, and everything I discussed in my GitHub. Okay, come here. Everything is I discussed in my GitHub. You will see it here. I will share the link, no problem, in my description. And in this blog, it is my blog, here I have discussed everything step by step, how we will install and what is the benefit of this app, and how we can execute this app in our real life example. After that, I have discussed some questions, simple questions from which are frequently asked. Okay, come in the VS Code now. Here I have already copy the code from my GitHub. Okay, look at this. This is the folder. This folder. Okay, come here. Look this. You have to understand this. This is the folder. The name of the folder is AI projects to publish. Okay. In this folder, look at this, our main Python file is situated, and here requirements text.txt, it is also situated. In this requirement, I have given all the things, all the Python libraries which we have to install to run this code. Okay, come again here in our code. Look at this five lines. First 5 lines is the library. Here we have a LangChain community LLMs. From this we have import a OLLMA. It is the class. Then again from LangChain community we import a SQL database. It is also a class. Then from LangChain agent toolkits we import a things SQL agent, create SQL agent. It is a function. This function is made by LangChain, and this function is acting here as a agent which will be used in this code. Okay, next come here. From this OLLMA class we have made an instance of LLM, and here this model is used. It is called Llama 3. You have to install this Llama 3 locally in your computer. Okay, then come, we will make a code which will make a bridge between our Llama 3 and our database, MySQL database. In my case it is the database. Okay, come here. Here is this MySQL database. Delete it. In this MySQL database, what is the table I am using? It is Chinook database. It is Chinook database I am using. Okay, next come in the code. Again, see here, this is the URI I have created, MySQL and MySQL connector. This function will get the bridge. This root is the name of my username. It is username, and the root 123, it is the password. Localhost is localhost. 3306 is the port of a default MySQL database, and the Chinook is the database name. Okay, now come here. Now we will see. Okay, first that I want to show the preview. No problem. Come here. This DB is a database. It will be created using this class SQL database from URI. From URI, it is a function, and the SQL database, it is a class, and the MySQL URI string. This is the credential string. Okay, then the database will be created. From this database, if we use this function get usable table names, you will find all the tables which is situated in this database DB. If you, when you create code the print text, all the names of the database will be come. Okay, this is the main part of our coding. Agent executor is a variable. Here we have used this function which is the main agent. Okay, here are two main arguments. One is the LMM, which is our model llama. This is first argument, and the second argument is database, which is also defined here. This is the database, the second argument. Okay, then the agent time, it is optional. Agent time, here we used zero shot description. That means this agent will work without any training. Without any training. Without any training, if you use it, it is called zero shot react description. But it is simple to work or to execute, but for complex case you must need to train your agent. Inshallah, we will discuss this thing in next video. Now come here. Agent response equal to, we don't need agent's response here. Okay, just clear it. Okay, now this is important things you have to understand. This invoke is a function. This function will take this question. This function will take this question to our agent executor SQL agent. Then SQL agent then turn this question into SQL query, and this SQL query will be executed in the database, and then the result will be come. Okay, now we are running this code. Let's clear everything. I am running the code. Just run code. Look at this. This is the name of the tables. These tables are created here. This is all the tables. Okay, just the agent is going on, and every function and step is showing, because here we used verbose true. When this option is used verbose true, then the every step of the agent will be shown. The agent is working. Look at this, the final answer is coming 347. That means here are about 347 amount albums in this database. The question was how many albums we have in the database. The answer is about 347 database. How we found this? This is the SQL query created by the agent. Look at this. This is the SQL query. Select, count, distinct album from track, join. What a big SQL query is created by this agent, and this SQL, by executing this SQL query, the result is found 347. So it is so simple. I hope you will find a value from this video. Thank you so much. And I am giving everything, every code in my GitHub link and every description in my blog link. Please check it. Okay. Assalamu alaikum.